Hello, Snowy. We're going walks later? We're going walks later? Might have to go later. It's raining. Yes, it's raining. You've been brushed. Hey? You've been brushed. You look sexy. Oh, guapa. My beautiful girl. Yeah, you're my beautiful girl. Get that camera out of my face! Oh, proud girl, proud girl. Proud girl. What's the girl doing? Hey? What's my girl doing? Oh. Yeah, nearly Christmas time, isn't it, eh? What are you going to get, Snowy? What's Daddy getting you for Christmas? What's Daddy going to get you for Christmas? Whoop. She sighted something. Must be CJ. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, he's putting his shoes on. I'll just show you the bird's nest, guys. Look at the little birds. They're in there. Yeah. Daddy gonna get out. I think I just disturbed Mama. What was that? What was that? Hey! The two best. Ah, what are you doing? You on sit? Oh, you're on Snowy's bed. Oh.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, it's bent. Did you bend it?
No.
You must have.
Oh, no.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
Is that your best mate? Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's raining out there, isn't it? Hey?
Yeah.
A wet day today. Wet day.
That's my brother.
Wet for ducks.
Ducky.
Yeah, mother bird's over there and the little babies are in there sound asleep, or one's awake. I think I interrupted her feeding. Oops. So just in between where that little gap is there. What's the matter, Snowy? CJ go inside and leave you outside. Hey? Yes, just a wet day. Kick around the house. Yeah, not much to do today, guys, except give this baby girl a bit of a brush. My fullest apologies since Wednesday night. Have not been able to do a couple of videos because I've had a massive headache right there. Not good. CJ, can you pick me up the brush, please?
Okay.
It's useful for something. That's a joke. But, he's been playing inside with his toys. Don't get in front of the camera like he did last time.
Hi.
Right. Yeah, Christmas decorations.
There up here.
Yeah. Snowy getting brushed. She loves it, don't you? Eh? You love getting brushed. You love your brush. Yeah. She had a bath about a week ago, guys. And CJ gave her a bath when we got home, she was a bit knotted, matted. So she literally looked like she had a Jamaican hairstyle, didn't you? Hey, you look like you had a Jamaican hairstyle. And your daddy will have to take his jumper off because I've got fur all over it and I don't want to get it all over inside because I vacuumed yesterday. So we just, I tell you what, show you what the coat looks like afterwards. You'd be able to make a fur coat out of a jumper after. Out of her coat. You're gonna lay down, eh? You're gonna lay down. Ah, it's a good girl. It's a good girl. Yeah. She loves a brush. Yes. She loves her dad brushing her. She gets Super Coat, which is a dry food for dogs here in Australia. And that's all her fur thus far that's come off her. And I've got one of these new brushes that reaps the fur from her. They're a good idea, these brushes. They grab every bit of fur off her that she's molting with. Mama bird must be back in the nest again. I disturbed her before. She was on the nest feeding the little ones. Oh, you trying to bite me? Hey? Are you trying to bite me? Are you trying to bite me? Certain areas on Snowy, she doesn't like being brushed. Rubbish bin trucks are around more today. It's supposed to be just the normal rubbish today. I have got this one too as well. It's a normal brush. Right, this brush is a coat. Oh, she's going to have a lay down now, eh? She's going to have a lay down. Oh, she'll take every bit of that, guys. Swap over, because she's got a... Sometimes it gets all matted. And she's loving every inch of this. Don't get much time with her. When I do, it's only just to go for walkies. You get dandruff. Hey, you get dandruff. Oh my God, my dog's got dandruff. God, how much fur's on there? You have to make a fur coat out of here. Yeah. Oh God, Snowy. We got Shih Tzus back home. Shih Tzu, beautiful little brown and white Shih Tzus. They look like Ewoks out of Star Wars, the little teddy bears. And compared to Snowy, I'd love to bring one home for her in the Philippines as a pup, and have her here. They're not bad little Shih Tzus. They're good dogs, but the only thing about them is cleaning their eyes all the time. You want a ponytail, young missy? Get all the excess hair off her coat. It's funny when she walks around, the coat looks like Pepe Le Pew, doesn't it, hey? It looks like Pepe Le Pew. She's stumbling, you guys, today. She's not a... What's the matter? Romance is in the air between the dad and his dog. Oh, we're getting up. Hey? We're getting up. We're getting up. Oh. You should have a big brush. You're having a big brush today, hey? Whoops. Did Daddy grab something then? You can go. That'll be 15 pesos. Snowy. 15 pesos na lang. Hey? You got 15 pesos? What? Where's your owner? Oh, there you look beautiful. Hey? Oh, give Snowy hug. Give Snowy hug. She looks beautiful. Yes. Come on. Get out. They take more to brush these last couple of days, and that is all Snowy's hair. She'll get more of that in the next couple of days. Bloody hell. I think he's going to have to brush himself right down. I'm looking like you. Yay. Anyway guys, this has been Scott Expat in the Philippines with Snowy. Bye bye. Bye for now. Have a great day, enjoy, relax and have fun. Remember, life is good. Bye for now guys.